recording.
Hello. Hello. How are you?
Pretty good.
Good. Okay. So, hi, Mr. Elton. I'm Officer Davis.
I picked up the stuff that they had
Okay.
before here.
That's fine.
Elton, you need to let her know that I am the fellow. Somewhere in this filing cabinet, we have to dig and.
That's fine.
They had this on the floor, they had this on the floor. And
Yeah,
this
she
on
has
the
seen
floor.
it. She's the one that came earlier.
Have you noticed anything missing so far?
Well, I haven't seen anything missing. They ransacked the place.
Now, he said they did get some money.
They
We
did
don't know
kill
how
about
much.
$40.
$40 or
$100.
140?
140
Where
for
was
sure, but he
where was
doesn't
that
know.
at?
In one of these drawers.
One of these drawers.
Now, I told him, Elton, check in here. Elton, check, see about your jewelry. All that, I told him, all that should be locked up, and although he keeps all his credit cards, I said, it's a wonder they don't try to, take his identity now. Let me see that, babe. Boy, they broke that. Oh my gosh.
Where was the money at?
He said one of the drawers.
One of these drawers.
Okay.
It was this drawer.
Wait, you got some rings missing, Elton. How many rings you had?
That's about right.
Thought you had 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. You're missing one. Okay, our wedding ring, your ruby ring. Remember that one. Where's your mama's ring? Your mama's ring's missing. Check on the floor. Those are an antique ring.
260 Frank Henry George. 260 Frank Henry George. And Charles 654 730 will be Charles 654.
Well, they need cleaning. Remember your mama's ring that Liz wanted so bad?
Mm-hmm.
You still had it in here,
Yeah, they probably.
and I don't see it.
I'm surprised they did that.
Let me see. Yeah, he worked at Sears in the jewelry department, so he had. But why wouldn't they have taken the ring? Maybe they saw the money. Maybe they don't know how much they had in money. Just grabbed it, maybe.
Yeah.
But some of these rings, I paid. What did I pay?
That was expensive. Well, that was expensive. That diamond was expensive.
Do you remember what the other ring looked like?
Yeah, it's a real thin band. It's gold, and it had some white. What was it? A triangular or your mama?
I think it's triangular, I believe.
And with little cluster diamonds on it.
Okay.
But that was in here with this, and they didn't touch none of this. I'm sure that was the first thing they pulled out. It looks like it. I don't know. Another thing, that was a handful. He had that long you don't need to save your old charge cards.
Elton, do you remember if your door was locked?
That one wasn't.
Okay.
Yeah, I locked the back door for sure.
Okay. And
It
then
wasn't locked when I got here. I locked
The
it.
back door?
Yeah, it wasn't locked.
I locked it. I locked
Maybe he's wanting something.
maybe. This side door, does that link to like
Okay,
y'all's
there's
or
a thing and then my door, but I keep my door locked because that's my epoxy room right
but
there.
that's the only place it leads to is like to y'all's? Okay.
Well, you have to go inside or around all the way, and then my big dog's outside.
Okay.
And the dog was inside, but I heard this one screaming.
Okay.
You usually can't hear anything scream from my house.
Okay.
And he screamed and screamed.
I'm gonna look and just kind of see if the cameras maybe would have. Sometimes even if they're off, they.
And I hate that chair. I really do hate it. You can go ahead and. See, I just had cancer surgery on the 29th. I can't take a kidney.
Do y'all know the password?
Elsa's, what's the password? Elton. Is it 00? Oh, EJCB? 1. Okay, EJCB. That one? Maybe SAT 1.
Wait, what? EJCB1?
No, SAT. SAT or satellite 1. That was their business.
Is there any capitals in it?
No, I don't think so.
Mm.
Nope.
I think it's just one. 11111.
No, the last time he told me was EJ.
Elton?
Get over here, Elton. And it don't matter. It just we've had this place cleaned 3 times and it just doesn't keep it clean. What's your password?
I think it's capital E
Oh, there you go. J.
J C B.
Oh, nope.
All the rest of them are small.
Okay, CB what? SAT?
SAT
Okay. 1.
1.
Yeah.
But see, he got robbed before, and it never showed up. We had lawnmowers and stuff stolen from outside, it never showed up. So it's been about about 1 o'clock. You came at 1:30 something.
You need to look at camera
This is the side out here.
6, I think.
6 would be one of them.
I'm guessing that one was down at the time.
No, we got it all pulled up a while ago. Maybe it only showed 4. You may have to take one of the other ones off. There you go. 5. See, that one would have been, that would have caught
one's right
everything.
up there.
That's the back door. But see, there's your car, so it would have come, they could have come along the fence.
Well, it's either her car or that's me going to the.
That's him going to the store. And it happened while he was at the store. I was so scared. I didn't know where the gun or anything
We're in the
was
right
at.
time frame.
Mm.
Be about 15 minutes from the time he left. And it took me about 10 minutes in here and I got so scared I left. See, now you don't have the back, our backyard on this side of the fence. They could come from there. Because this is the door that the dog was yapping at.
Well, now the other three are working now. The 3 remotes?
Yeah.
They're working now. It had to be something to do with the heat, you know, over the summer. And when I turned it on, they all popped up.
They all work?
Yep. Except for the one on our front door. We'll have to figure out what the deal is with that. I may have a camera, an old camera, or yeah. Let's get one because that one's wired in. We'll have to replace
Elton, is there any way of opening your front door? But then it would show that's the front door there.
I got that secured.
You can open it if there's a fire, can't you?
Yeah.
Okay.
I got a one of those latches this way, and then I got one of those. I do that, so I go out that way.
Okay.
Could they have been in here earlier and just waited and waited? You were walking.
There's no telling, baby. There is no telling. Let's see what this shows up.
Could they have come in at night and been in that front bedroom or something while he...
Most people that are gonna do that, they're not gonna just hang around because they're not gonna want to get caught.
Yeah.
That's what I'm thinking.
They knew he was at work, and they wouldn't.
Well,
have
that
come in
could have been
last night.
anywhere from 8:30 this morning all the way.
Oh,
What?
they unplugged my,
See, I told you. I asked
I
him
don't know.
what they
He's got so
unhooked.
much junk plugged in here that he doesn't need.
For my
Yeah, it cuts off.
and the TV.
I'm gonna go look and see if anywhere around here has cameras. I'll be right back.
Don't think they do.
They don't. No. If there's anyone, I'll tell you one who would. Believe. But then it's so busted and
Yeah,
stuff
same
back
thing.
there.
Okay, I'm just gonna go look around real quick.
All right.
Elton, you come by.
Yeah.